Happy Monday, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today is a beautiful sunny day and it's a holiday. So, I'm gonna cook, but first we're gonna bake a cake. It's a cornflower cake with coconut and orange. So, yeah, this is the plan for today: cook and bake. We're gonna start with baking. After put the cake in the oven, we're gonna start cooking. So let's start with this vlog. I hope you like it. Hi, if you're new, my name is Jermana. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So let's get started. I'm gonna link all the recipe down in the description box so you can check it out for yourself if you want to make this kind of cake. But basically it's a 1 cup of normal flour, 1 cup of kernel flour. I use this brand because it's my favorite, Goya. um, I hope is that how we pronounce it. Sugar, I don't like sweet cake. Is a 1/2 cup of sugar. We're gonna use to orange most of the skin. The oven is already on, and I'm gonna use a coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of coconut. So this is the ingredient. Butter is just for this. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you have or you had an amazing Easter day with your loved one. And happy Easter, by the way. Sips all. And I forgot to mention that we need a 1/2 cup of oil. I'm gonna use this one from Great Value. Well, it's great for cooking, but also great for baking. Has to be done. You just want a little bit. Gonna be there, I think, for 40-45 minutes, depending on the oven. You can check after 35 minutes. So let's get this started. I'm gonna start with oil because it's easy to blend everything else. Oh, I forgot. Now we're gonna add all the dry ingredients: the corn flour and normal flour. We're gonna mix these two together. Orange just for it's gonna be 1 cup of coconut too, but I'm gonna mix here because second, I just want them to incorporate each other. That's it. Now kind of the mixture is ready. I'm gonna put in the oven for 35-40 minutes. So let's see how it's going to look like. after cooking. So this is the cake. And the kitchen look a mess. So now it's time to cook. I already did the meal prep in the morning, so I'm gonna insert the clip here. I shot a short video for my TikTok account and short video on YouTube, so I'm gonna insert the clip so you can see. And yeah, that's the process, that's the plan. Let's keep going. Today we're gonna have meat with okra. I don't know how you pronounce it in English. So it's gonna be meat and okra. Yes. And for side dish, I'm gonna cook corn flour, like puree, something like that. This is the corn flour I'm gonna use. This saved my life all the time. All the time. It is so handy. Okra. Paste. Cook for about 30 minutes.